situation and how it was building up, there are particular things we could address as mature people, as old men. He was supposed to retire before me because literally speaking is much older than I. Like, leave alone the political age. We are talking about the biological age. He's much older than I. And when you look at his brother, they could do something rational, more rational than just that. Particularly if I'm opting out, we had agreed, if I go out of politics, then I would leave somebody, a youngster, to take a course with the likes of Bobby Wine and all that, because we need a counter force. Now that I'm bowing out, why would he let my daughter fail? We do everything to support my daughter. But again, he's very active, the first lady is very active. Then you allow Sodo to come in. Before we know it, Nzaire will be there. Before you also realize, Noagira will also be there. Before we know it, Jovret Kajubiri will also be there. So at the end of the day, you find it is a taxing situation, a very taxing one. There's totally no fairness there. There's totally no fairness.
Right. You see, when you look at the situation and how everything was cooking up, it is like, actually we tried. Personally, I sent my one emissary to His Excellency through Omona, but there was totally no response. He was telling it, let the game go on. Then when Sabiti came around, you remember, he would not give us attention. I tried several times to consult him that, you know what, try to do the needful. You gave us the support. He was also rigging for Sodo. That is to my surprise.
No, you let me tell you, what you're talking about is a very simple thing. I personally had to put Odoi, Tango Odoi, under pressure because I recruited him personally. You see, I personally recruited him. I tried to force him that at least declare a tight race, but let my daughter win. But the fact it was the fun accent he has. I'm taking the tour the way it is supposed to be. I cannot bend the road to anyone. Now, if you're telling me that, what if His Excellency also tells me the same? What if the chairman says this and that, and I bow towards? No, I'm not going to be ruled. Let the people of Mahogora decide for themselves. So, really, that is the attitude he was shedding around. And, okay, I felt demeaned, but again, I had to lay back. And I let my daughter do something. But anyhow, the battle is just the beginning. If it happens that way, then we are going to see how to overcome the situation. Much as the odds for the opposition winning in the area is very different, but he just opened up a tug of war, which we have to respond to critically. You know, the Baganda have a saying, they say, Chijomanyi, Chinyagabitono. It means like, Chintobo, Chitegekede, no Chitegera, Katichukutwarako, Ebintu Bitono. So, my colleague showed me that he is willing to take it on. Now I know the exact position, how I'm perceived, and therefore I should also know how to counter the perception rendered to me. As a retiree, because I'm supposed to retire, I told him that now maybe I also have to argue myself out, to argue with him out that then I also have to be on the next cabinet. And also my daughter should also be appointed somewhere. She's well educated, let her be appointed somewhere. Because he was telling me that, you see, I've allowed you to accumulate a lot of wealth. So you take your children and you already the other offsprings to the private sector. Let them manage the wealth empire that you have built. Zonda was also like, but Muse, you see, we are equal in that. You also have an empire in Europe, in Asia, in the Middle East. If we are to go out, let us all go out. Or let your sons and daughters get in that line. Because already Mohoz is in very active politics. Very active politics. There is no way we can deny that. It is clearly visible by the public. This idiot Baram is doing the bidding for him. Actually, even though these artists are being told that actually the person bailing you out is not His Excellency, it is Mohozi Kainerugaba. That means he's being prepared for active politics. Now, the onus is on us as well to see that we can also have our own share. We are not going to be boxed out just like that because one man wants it all and doesn't want our children to take over.
That is something I was also looking at. Actually, what you're bringing is that no matter when I'm with Afande Mohozi, the several things and aspects I'm seeing in him, actually is very confident that he has to be president of Uganda. And when you look at the preparation, very covertly, because if he comes out and he shouts it out, he's going to get a lot of resistance from the population. So the best way is to do the grassroots work, the underground work. So by the time you pop out is strong enough, the foundation is very strong enough, so you can take over. So in that there's some kind of selfishness. At least for this request, since you had chosen to go out, at least His Excellency would simply allow that constituency to land in your hands. Because particularly, Sudo was never willing to come to that.
I knew that already. Actually, it is His Excellency who told him, no, if Kutesa is shielding the daughter, I'm also shielding you. You have to go and represent. That is our land. We have to create a landmark there. So you have to go. So that is how the...
Abalenza abo banjoga naye bampuliddemu. Teri kusonyiwagana alitunula mu kabuli ya munne yali bawangudde.
Ngoli mukambu.
Yes. Banwanyisa nnyo batwale 5 billion. Nakana nalwesa jazireta. 5 billion zirigane condition y'omulenzi yazitwala. Nalina nulwa mukaga nti ampite nzimu. Nalincho mutumerange ngenta mu bamanyo ngateke kuttaka.
Kati ba planning ki?
Okujoga kuyitiridde. Museveni abayola alabe ndulu wezivuga mu Kampala akalwa kukumba bukukumbi. Namala abayola abo akalwa kukumba bukukumbi. Netulaba kaduka ngaduka ali kukabanga ali baje mutaddeka galubindi ziti ekyo yabakubye abamaze has shaped his succession yawedde
ba planning kikati
ate bana kasi anti bo kugambe kutisa simayi tugenda muko simayi twabye simayi batubye banonya compromise naye omusajja bafunye azaba vuga okubatuusaawo kakati today nakabiro tekyasobola kubba mu 7 ayinayo representative we.
Oh, so do naitamu.
Yawedde ekyo kyawedde omanyimwe abalogo bagenda ne babba ku bantu sente basi mu musingi jeje gisiranye ku musingi enavaawo abali amugeetuse ku madirisa jeje ng'ennyumba teyimirira teyimira materials yali eziguladda ng'etuse ku aeroplane bane jeje ennyumba aleka naawe kuntawanya tolabanga kozi weddeni wedde nakomera neziremera olwakufera akufera bwekaba kali mu home kayiseemu akasodo kayiseemu. The political landscape has now changed. Ate listi yawe yonna tolaba bwe bakugambe buli jesi kugamba ndi omusajja gundi ani ono abadde abogolera ku secretariat
Odoi
togamenti yemuleeta badde bamulagidde mbwalangirire ono how osobola otya gwe tango Odoi mbwalangirire owakuteesa ono agende mu kooti Odoi naye mugezi yagambye oli gwe wandiita siganye appointment yetu eriko linnya lyo Odoi yagambye kuteesa nti appointment leeta gye nnina gwe wandiita siganye naye appointment leeta gye nnina kuliko omukono gwo
nti nedda
nze kwe ndategeeredde nti lisiti yabwe yonna etagala bonna olaba Nankabirwa agenda Emmengo ne Kiwanda Katikkiro enkya neyoolekerayo oyo ye yaggwamu banaye Nankabirwa Abaganda batugana tosabanga mizimu buwangazi genda mu ddwaliro ngenda mu ddwakiriza lisiti yonna mwenda bwe yagikwata bawe eyabba mwenda sente mwenda bika nemugamba oy muyita okutulawo ne mukozesa mwenda ate gwe oyo omusajja Museveni mugezi ye goloza kuba muwala wakuteesa ezo biliyoni mwenda ezamuyombya goloza mwenda ye yali tamanyi n'aba ababbi ayina projekiti gyabawa nga tabamonitaringa kubanga tosobola kusuula gavumenti ye. Gavumenti ya Museveni eri mu bantu eri mu military eri ku policies ze oba mu bidibudo naye si ye
bana Uganda bebuuza electoral commission ino busobozi okudeliveranga free and fair elections
eriwa
2021
ani abadde abitabula nabagamba nga bwe mbanalizing the situation eri nembaga njagala obabuulira Bobi Wine nga opposition nga mumutayiziza nti talina kibiina lwako gyali tasobola kuwandiisa kibiina kya Bobi Wine okujja nga lwamulagidde. I'm telling you it's obvious but they are desperate ekituwenyeza nti akazibu katuuka mu desperation it is assassinates. That's why this issue of assassinating micropsap mukikoleko mulabe olava dukala bwoteri bukwata omuliro olaba ekibeera wano ng'abasajja bakutta omulambo gw'omusajja atali musiraamu baguyingiza n'ejjeneza mu kibuga olave omuvubuka adduka ne galubindi tebasobola tebasobola when things fall apart the center cannot hold. The issue of Museveni succession has now been redesigned.
Tonzize mu Electoral Commission.
So no, the factor number
tebalina busobozi Electoral Commission okusobola
ababadde bagitabula beebo list ya good list yabwe bali list mwenda bavi nego yombo otya ne mwenda mwenda ayombeka naye nga ne Kagame ya musima duka na Kagame omukambwe nata mufundiriza na mugande omayindi for Bible yetu gamba ndi Katonda yasoka olutalo lw'okuwamba government lwali mugulu Luciferi ngayagala kuwamba Katonda naye kwa Luciferi tasaaga era naye bamufuni alternative
yaki
kunsi Yesu yasanga omusajja ng'aliko amajini ngakamuliko nagapoza nekamugana egwe kati otugoba musajja ono ffe tulagewa sima amajini nako ngayimirirawo gayina ekyago sebo kati otugoba majini mu musajja ono ffe tulagewa nebo yatula Yesu yatula nagolekeze gana lyembizi kati bana bali embizi bagambuziriza asana zafuuka bibe lwachera majini kyobola toyinza kwambala gumba lya mbizi jini nelikulungu basi wali amajini bagasindika kale okumanya Jesus yali muzibu nnyo bafirisufaza abo bagundi abo babala ebintu era yatwalayo mbizi naye bwe yatuna tulawo tubuuze waliwo entete zaaliwo kiki era yayolekeza mbizi nesiba olaba abagirya eggumba ly'embizi ejjini teriyingirawo baligabula dda teribanja ejjini teribanja yina gumba lya mbizi naye alternative the first battle started in heaven but these people have no alternative. If the president had agreed nti owo mulete ija kulimba oba situation has changed. The impact of MISO and its audio tapes has changed this intelligence services to the president fundamental. They don't know whether I started catching them.
Oyina nyingi waliwo section y'abana Uganda bakkiriza nti Dr. Besigye yandikomye omulukaano
ndiki
Dr. Besigye yandikomye omulukaano luno
Besigye ajja kudda why
ajja kudda
Besigye what drives Besigye why has he been in a wound for a long time Besigye kibi kye yakola kyokka short term strategies kigwa leero nikitagwa mwabe Masaka mujja kumulaba ngadduka nikitabeerawo nikyogala but you see African politics abantu ba Uganda ebisibe baliko tebajjukira ndikatoluwa akugamba luli nagenda kulya kati mujje tulye twagenda na songwani lulyo ekyagano gabula yes nobody raises this good Papatiswa mwakatemba
nsindika kulia kati munsindi
notagenda na sowani
tuliye
kakati olese ekyo genda nazo why now lwaki ulite twalya
katoluwa muri musajja
yati nkubulya nedda sikatolubwama ebyo tebisobola kwogerwa mu Western Uganda oba Northern Uganda bote bamanyi kuzina balongo kuwemula
byogerebwa
wano
ate nafune tukiza netumwongera
kakati Besigye kikyakiri yagamba nti ebigambo ebyogerwa mu byabufuzi ne bw'obimira tebikubya mpiiyi Besigye rasolo but Besigye has remained around for a long time. Besigye engebuka yisiye yabana Besigye is a power but aina trust yachi yaba donors
and so does Bobi Wine
kakati baate Besigye bamudukako nga baleserwa bwogo ye problem nti balowooza bakyekwatye munofu Abaganda batugamba nti nasi wa mukanga asi wa mukabukuku. That was a wrong choice.
So Besigye ayinza okudda
ate balina omulala nze neewuunya omanyi gundi oyo Besigye olala nalimva kyengere eyo ali ku motoka waggulu n'atunda muyange bwe nenkwata ku nnyondo naliyamba nti agenda kubalagira wangube kakati jo nalina akafo kange wendi amuli yatinajja you man we listen to you You are a highly intelligent man, but I'm selling FDC cards.
Kogwe.
Balinda bamuganti omusajja goloza asole jo de maganti this man is correct. Mu marketing batugamba a good marketeer must force a person in Greenland or Iceland to buy a refrigerator which is not needed. So I wouldn't. What I take from Amuriati is that he moves with the Jezichi. Kadiza zina. Kubanga singanze na challenging anti mpaka kadi onaga sijina. Nga lulume dokita lulume. Omusajja dokita bwe yagamba nga yagala okuvuma mu 7. Tusanze accident. Naye accident bwe tugisanze nga abantu agala obawonya tuguze buveera. Gwo omusawo tusobola kutambula na bandage mu motoka ye. Tulina amuna first aid.
First aid kit.
It ended up hitting him. Kakati nkugamba nti Besigye ayina all of the chances. Kubanga what he needs is a new gun.
Naye ate simanyi.
Era gwenze nkubulya Besigye mugezi. Ekisirisiza mugisa muntu. Nekisirisa Besigye. Babadde bamanyide the rebellion in State House. The Museveni is facing an internal rebellion in the palace. Bone balekera Bobi Wine na kitomera. Boba balekera Boba ali bamanyi.
Niba dewo bya Bobi Wine bino.
Basirise. Boba ali bamanyi. Bategeera ti Bobi Wine yakutte enkoko eza kipumpuli aziteeka mu nkokoze. Nti akutte ente ya kalusu agitutte ku gane. Banambaze bakazungu be bazungana muri Indiamu. Be bamukubya. Ero nze kyensinga okutya kwe kugamba nti ekibiina nti omusango gusalibwa ddi nga 10 naye ng'okulonda nominations kuwawedde. What if they find nti ebyakolebwa Bobi Wine byonna byali bifu you are nullified kakati nominations bali bagenda bajja kubujja kuba if it is found out nti essomero lyakwadimitinga ku bigezo ebigezo byonna babisazaamu ekitegeeza ekifo kifiiro essomero lyeri kwadimitinga Electoral Commission can receive your names as nominated by now. But if this
Bazula yo false information
banga katwina mbabuza nti omulamuzi wa Uganda yaliwo ne yebakembolera Siramba nalinda emyaka 5 nga ali omusango gwa Bobi Wine nali okwasala ogwakena nga nagwo gwetolera ku musango gumugwe gwa Bobi Wine. Bobi Wine ibulijjo ngabo bamukwata mwaluwa tulaba baloya badduko mutaasa. Bobi Wine nga bulijjo babeera mugondi where the lawyers baliwa he's deserted which means those who are in the know we are aware of this nti bano bakuteesa bayagala bayise ekikono eno bayisemu kubanga buli siya yali egamba for us we don't mind oba bwaludda ki nti ate bwe tutuuka ku BNRM tubawe sente entono lwaki babayita mu movement caucus babateeseza ebiteeso kakati omwenda okulwanyisa mwenda kwabakola bubi nice articles ezibadde mawulire tezikyalimu reasoning teriimu eyono gundi akugamba nti Makerere University yayidde lwakubanga fire brigade yaluddewo tuyinza n'okugamba nti twe tubuuza kimu eyayokeza ekizimbe kino taddemu nakyokya. Don't talk about the fire brigade.
Kale.
Yes.
Tuyanzege. Ampuliriza. Wano wetu wombidde leero mukkirize mbasiimire wano program yaffe Mwoyo gw'Eggwanga the Patriot ekume wano musinzidde mu bifo by'eggwanga eby'enjawulo tuwegattako twagala kubeebaza olw'ekyo. Mbadde ne Mwamitamale mirundi mutabani wa Yowaana mirundi
akulakkirize nona akkirize nti muwala wange eri saabala bulungi ffe tubala tuli very calculative.
Nawe abanawo bajje mu gavumenti
baliwa abalambagana tewali ajja kuddamu gendayo. My children never okujjako nga akagurupu kana akazu kafunyeyo akakuba